This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down or staying awake with the screen protected. This reduces accidental input and keeps the keyboard magnetic coupling predictable. Once done, set the surface face down on a soft, flat surface so you can access the seam safely. You're going to target the two clip areas near the hinge. Gently press outward at those points to relieve magnetic pressure. This first motion unlocks the keyboard from the base. Do it slowly so you feel the release without bending the hinge. Once the clips are relieved, position your fingertips under the keyboard edge and press the clips outward while lifting straight up. You want even force across the hinge so the contacts disengage evenly. You'll feel a subtle detent as each clip releases. Stop lifting if you feel uneven resistance and press the clip again. Make sure not to twist or pry from one corner because that can bend the pins. If it still resists, verify the magnetic latch is fully disengaged and repeat the outward press and lift motion. You finish by lifting the keyboard away after both clips free. Lay it flat and avoid folding to prevent hinge stress. To reattach, align the connector pins with the surface edge, lower the keyboard evenly until you hear a soft snap and feel the magnet seat. If attachment fails or keys don't respond, make sure contacts are clean. Use a dry microfiber or compressed air to remove debris, then realign and attach. If problems persist, try the same detach-reattach steps while the device is powered off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.